Hey guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today I'll be reading Doc McStuffins by Huggy Valentine. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, today I'll be reading Doc McStuffins by Huggy Valentine. Valentine's Day is Lammy's favorite day of the whole year. Doc's cuddliest, snuggliest toy has planned the perfect party. Surprise, Doc! Doc has a surprise for Lammy, too. She pulls a heart-shaped doll from behind her back. Happy Valentine's Day, the doll says cheerfully. Everyone, this is Val, Doc says. Val, this is everyone. This heart could just burst with all the love in this room, Val gushes. Is that what's wrong with you? Lammy asks. Because you don't look broken. Val's not here for a checkup, Doc explains. She's my new Valentine's Day toy. Stuffy drags a camera across the floor. Smile, Lammy, he calls. It's time for this year's Valentine's Day party picture. Lammy and Doc get set in their usual pose. Then Val jumps into the scene. Valentine, she shouts just as Stuffy clicks the camera. Lammy takes the snapshot and places it in her photo album. It was supposed to be just me and Doc, she sighs. Lammy, is everything okay? Doc wonders. Oh, yeah, Lammy replies. I have something really special to show you. It's my super special Valentine's Day. Oh no, Val is taking over Lammy's cuddle booth. I'm the one who gives out hugs around here, not Val, Lammy cries. It's okay though, Lammy has other party plans. Okay, everybody, it's time for Pin the Heart on me, she says. Doc covers Stuffy's eyes and spins him around. Then she hands him a paper heart. Stuffy stumbles and puts the heart on Val. The game didn't go the way Lammy had planned it at all. Who wants to make Valentines? Lammy suggests. Doc gets out all the art supplies. Everyone loves my Valentines, Lammy tells Chili. And everyone does, but they love Val's Valentine even more. That's beautiful, Val, Doc says. I've never seen anything like it. Lammy watches while the other toys sing and dance with Val. Her favorite day of the year is turning into the worst day ever. Are you okay, Lammy? Doc asks. I'm fine, Lammy sighs. Doc can tell that Lammy isn't really fine. She takes Lammy into the checkup room to examine her. Are those tears? Doc asks. Did something hurt? Just my heart, Lammy answers. It hurts a little, but don't worry about me. I'm sure you'd rather be at the party with Val anyway. Lammy, do you really think I'd rather be with Val than you? Asks Doc. Lammy decides to share her feelings with Doc. I was your number one cuddler, your best friend, she cries. Valentine's Day was my day, but now you have Val, and she's perfect, and everyone thinks she cuddles better than I do. Doc is ready to make a diagnosis. Hallie hands her the big book of boo-boos. I'm glad you told me how you were feeling, Lammy, Doc says. You have a case of split heartitis. That means you have a broken heart. Am I really sick, Doc? Lammy asks worriedly. Your heart's not actually broken, Doc explains. It works just fine, but sometimes when your feelings get hurt, your heart can feel like it's broken. That's how it feels, Lammy admits. I'm sorry, Lammy. I guess I was so caught up in Valentine's Day and my new toy, I didn't even notice how you were feeling, Doc says. But Lammy, no one can ever take your place. A hug from Doc is just what Lammy needs to fix her broken heart. She's ready to celebrate with her friends, including her new friend Val. What's everyone standing around for? Lammy shouts. Let's party! Doc's tips about sharing your feelings. Everyone has bad feelings sometimes, so don't keep them locked inside. And if it's hard to talk about your feelings, you can draw pictures and use them to tell a story about how you're feeling. I hope you enjoyed Doc McStuffins, my Huggy Valentine, and I'll see you guys next time on Reagan's Reading Corner. Bye, thanks for watching. Happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you next time on Reagan's Reading Corner.